In this video, we are going to be installing the Green Address Bitcoin wallet on Linux. So to start off with this one here, it's a browser-based app. It's not an extension, so you're not running it directly in the browser. We're going to be running it in Chrome, and you can also install this in Chromium or Vivaldi if you use those browsers as well, but we'll be dealing with Chrome. Anyway, it runs through the Chrome framework and it opens like a regular program. It's an app, as they call it. So to start off, we're going to need to download Chrome. So officially, Google supports Chrome for Ubuntu, Debian, and their derivatives, as well as Fedora and SUSE and their derivatives. You can also get Chrome installed on Arch with the AUR, and I'm sure there's a build script for Gen 2 somewhere, and other distributions have it as well. And if you can't get it for your distro, please just install Chromium. It is literally the same thing. Anyways, to get Chrome, go to google.com/Chrome. Pretty easy to remember. Click the download button, select your distribution. I'm using Fedora, so I need this one here. Save it and let it download. And open up a terminal. And then once this is done downloading, I can CD into my downloads folder and install the app. And as we see right here, Chrome is right here, sudo dnf-y, enter my password. I forgot to write install. Enter my password once again, and it's going to install all of the things required to use Chrome on the on the Fedora platform. From here, I can just search for Chrome, and we've got Chrome right here. And first startup will take a little bit of time. It's just because of how browsers work, I guess. I'm not really sure why. And open it up. From here, you need to go to, I'm not going to sign in, but you can sign in if you so choose. Go here, click on the web store. Look for Green Address. So Green Address, if you search for it, isn't going to show up, and Google does a good job of hiding apps, but they're not disabled. So like I said, you can't find it here. But if you go Green Address, the framework itself still exists, and you can still add it to Chrome just fine. Just go to greenaddress.it/en, and from here, just click on the download button as soon as I find where the download button is. Chrome Web Store, there we go. So now we see it, we can click add to Chrome, add app, go back to apps, and we see Green Address. From here, you're gonna need to click create shortcut and then desktops. You can also set application menu if you'd like it in here. It's already there under Chrome apps though, so I don't know why you'd wanna do that. But you click the create button, and then we can just close Chrome entirely. We can then go over here and click open, and this will open up our wallet app as just a normal program, and of course you can find it in here as well. So to start off, we're going to need to create a new wallet, and you do that by clicking the create wallet. So it's going to generate a long, tedious password. What you're going to need to do is write this out on a physical piece of paper. Do not store it electronically. In this video, I'm going to open it and put it in electronically just so that I have it for safekeeping. I'm not going to save it, and this isn't going to be a wallet that I ever use for anything important. I'll probably never use this wallet ever again, because broadcasting my Bitcoin information like this is going to make it easy to steal from. This is just educational, so you can learn how to get this taken care of. And of course, if you don't want the mnemonic passphrase, you can click the show QR code as well, and this will give you access to the passcode. But click the continue button. Now it's going to quiz you specific words. So I'm going to look at my reference paper here, and I'm going to log in. So word 3 is first. Skin, adjust, and then to what else? Rookie. Verify. Now you can set up authentication. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to leak my phone number out there. And also we discuss how to set up two-factor authentication in the green address article in the description. But just click the continue button. It's going to ask for a PIN number. I'm going to set in a PIN number now. PIN set, and I'm ready. And now I have my green address application. I can show you my QR code and my Bitcoin address. So if anybody wants to send me some coins to this wallet, I'm not actually asking you for that, but if this was a legitimate wallet, I could show this to somebody and I could receive funds here. At the same time, I can click on send and I can enter anybody's address, or I can scan a QR code if I want to, enter the amount here, click the priority to send what the priority is, and then review it and send it. I can add a memo like test, and I know that 1 MBTC is going to cost me $6. I can enter whatever address and click the send button. There are a lot of other settings you can go through, and again, this is just how to get the green address wallet working under Linux. It's a Chrome application, so if you can run Chrome or Chromium, you're going to be able to run this application. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out this wallet, especially if you are new to Bitcoin and you want something a little bit more versatile. Because it's on Chrome, you can use it on Windows, Mac, and Linux, or whatever can run the Chrome framework, even a Chromebook. So if you need to use a Chromebook, you can also get your Bitcoins that way as well. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for me today, but I will see you.